Peggy 3.
This is where it all started, where the old guard recapture the excitement they felt when they first started out, and newcomers explore the history of their passion. These bikes made history and rewrote the rule books, giving form to designers' and riders' wildest dreams. The bold lines have been tinkered with over the years, but they never go out of fashion and represent the origin of the species. Riding them, you'll understand how each model is the key piece of a larger puzzle, the crucial element of an equation that adds up to the history of motorcycling.